So here is your machine. First of all, check the main switch position. It should be in off position. Then fill up the tank. With water and ensure that at least 75% of total volume of tank should be filled with water. By controlling this spear wheel, we can allow maximum amount of water to flow through this nozzle section. This is a spear wheel, and we can control the flow of water through nozzle by controlling this spear wheel. And this is your bypass valve, and it should be kept fully open during the start of your experiment. And here is your observation table. Here is your observation table. For fast observation, for fast reading, this one is P head or pressure head. We can get these values from this pressure gauge. And then your P1 and P2. These values, these P1 and P2, we can get from these pressure gauges at the inlet of the orifice and at the outlet of the orifice. And then your RPM, speed of your turbine. RPM, we can take this reading by using a tachometer at this point. And then your load part, W1 and W2. W1 and W2, we can get these readings from this spring balance or your rope brake dynamo. This value will show W1 and this is W2.
Start, sir.
So here is your machine. You can see the tank has been filled with water, and the main switch is at off position. And keep this bypass valve fully open during the start of your experiment. Keep this bypass valve fully open. Now we will take readings of P1, P2, and from here your RPM, W1 and W2 for 3 different pressure heads. This pressure head can be changed by controlling this bypass valve. So here is your observation table. And now we will start the machine and take 3 different readings. Bypass. स्टार्ट करो। क्लोज करो। रखु फास्ट इनिशियल लोड 1 kg कि 2 kg रखु 2 kg रू स्टार्ट करो प्रॉब्लम ना अकोमोडेटर दे दो এটা ওপেন আছে না ফুললি ওপেন আছে না टू केजी लोड 0 50 का आरपीएम 429 है 425 429 अच्छा 0.8 नहीं P1 0.8 P2 क्या P2 0.9 आरपीएम कितने दिला 429 W2 0 लोड रिलीज करो सेकंड रीडिंग लोड रिलीज करो जीरो करता हूँ 0 लोड रिलीज करो सेकंड रीडिंग बाईपास वाल्व खुला तो बाईपास वाल्व लोड 3 केजी रखिए 3 केजी टू फिफ्टी ग्राम है RPM 490। P1 प्रेशरेटर वैल्यू डाल 1.1 0 4 kg करो तो সেটারে 0 করে দিও, এটা 0 করে দিও। এটা 0 করে দাও না, এটা পরে আসছে না, না 0 করে হবো, এটা 0 করে দাও। ভালো টোটাল 4 কেজি দিয়েছিল লোডটা, 4.5 দিয়েছো, 4 দিয়েছো। এটা কত W2 350। ठीक है RPM देखो RPM 571 570 है 570। P1 कितने कौन P1 कितने 1.4 RPM कितने 570 1.4 P1 1.4 P2 1.3 1.3 1.3 ना 1.6 1.3 हेलो बंद करो लोड रिलीज करो लोड टाइम रिलीज करो ठीक है ना रिलीज कर दो 0 0 0 0 बंद करो, चलो। So here is your observation table. We got these readings from conducting this experiment, and here is your calculation part. For reading 1, for serial number 1, here is your calculation part. These are the given data: CD 0.6, K value 6.72 into 10 to the power minus 3, diameter of rope, dia of pipe, dia of flywheel. These things already given in your manual. The diameter of orifice and density of water, you already know that, 1000 kg per meter cube. Value of G 9.8 meter per second square, and weight of rope given as 0.26 kg. So for first reading we calculated H value, pressure head value, so found out to be 8 meter, and next H value we found out to be 1 meter, and next Q value, that is K root over of H, putting the value of K, that is 6.72 into 10 to the power minus 3 into root over of H. So Q is found out to be 6.72 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter cube per second. Your discharge value, this is your discharge. Then input power, for calculating input power, there is a simple formula: rho into G into Q into H by 1000 kilowatt. These things already has been taught to you in your classroom. And for rho, this is 1000, G value 9.81, Q 6.72, H value 8. By putting these values, we get that input power to be 0.527 kilowatt. Next, for calculating equivalent radius, dB plus 2dr by 2. I have already shown these things in blackboard. So RE value is found out to be 0.162. dB and dr value already given. These things, dB and dr value already given. That is diameter of flywheel and diameter of rope. And RE equivalent radius is found out to be 0.162 meter. Then torque value, to calculate torque, this is load part, W into Z load part, and RE distance. So W1 from reading 1, from this reading, you got that W1 2 kg, W2 0 kg. So we now put these values: W1 2 kg, W2 0 kg, W3 0.26, that is weight of your rope. Then G value 9.81, RE value we already found out that 0.162. So putting these values, we got that torque is equal to 3.59 Newton meter. So now to calculate output power or shaft power, 2 pi nt by 60,000 is a simple formula. 2 into pi into n value 429. This is from your first reading, 429. So n equal to 429. T value already find this value 3.59. So by putting this value, we got that shaft power or your output power is equal to 0.1611 kilowatt. So now to calculate efficiency, overall efficiency, we simply output power by input power into 1000 is equal to 0.161, 0.527 into 100, that is equal to 31%. This is for fast reading. Similarly, you have to calculate what is the efficiency for second reading and what is the efficiency for third reading. By similar method, by similar procedure, all the calculations are same, but you have to find out the input power and output power and then efficiency for these two readings. Okay.